What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? It's your boy Beamer Sean. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to remove your brake and tail lights and replace them. This is a 2013 Mercedes Benz GLK 350. It's actually my son's, so never mind the mess, but we're going to go straight into it. So first, what you'll do is this panel right here, you just snap it loose, you turn to your left, and this opens up. And right here is where you have control of the bulbs, right? This is where you have your access point at. So all you'll do is just take this part off, and then we just pull this out, and your tray is going to be accessible. So I'm going to replace this light and this light, this one and this one. And all you do is you just unscrew it and it comes loose. This one too. Turn to the left, and then you just install these new lights. Make sure they're in there good. And these lights cost me about 12 bucks at O'Reilly's. Okay. So once you have your lights installed, you're gonna just put this piece back into the access point, and it just snaps right back in. Put your cover back on, snap it to the right, and you're good to go. There you have it, folks. It is working. Simple to do and cheaper than going to Mercedes Benz. As always, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we're out. Yep.